It's the supercells, the cloud that's fucking able to just pump out a tornado at any moment. I'm gonna back up and see. So on this side it looks kind of clear. We're completely under the clouds now. This shit, it's so dark out. I mean, and there's the sirens again. There's the sirens. Check inside and see what it says on the TV real fast. Holy shit. The clouds don't look like they're doing much, but they're massive. And they're moving and spinning. It was really warm, really fucking warm. And all of a sudden just a gust of cold air just fucking comes through and just... You know there's a problem when that happens.
Dude, get in here! Your phone's getting soaked!
It's fine.
If you see this fucking wall of shit come in,